Hi students, in last lecture we have studied about linear equations in two variables. In that we have studied a graphical part of linear equation in two variable and solution of a linear equation in two variables. Now in this lecture we will go to study exercise 4.3, in that example number 4. In example number 4 it is given that the taxi fare in a city as follow. It is given that for the first kilometer fare is 8 rupees and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Okay, taking the distance covered as x kilometers and total fare as y rupees or rupees y. Write linear equation for this information. And draw its graph. Okay, so in solution, first of all we have given an information. It is given that for a taxi fare for first kilometer is rupees 8. That means when for first kilometer 1 kilometer it is 8 rupees. Okay, and after for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. That means after that if he goes 3 kilometer, then it will take 5 into 3 plus 8. Okay, so its total fare will be 8 plus 15 is equal to 23 rupees. Okay, but we want an equation taking the distance covered as x kilometer. That means if I consider this total distance as x kilometer, okay, to taking cover as x kilometer and total fare as y, and the total fare for x kilometer is rupees y. Okay, so we have to find the linear equation for this information. Now here for first kilometer, if I consider it as a first kilometer and remaining it will be calculated. Now here for first kilometer it is 8 rupees. Okay, so it can be written as 5 plus 3. Okay, that means this total kilometer, if it is covering x kilometer distance, then its total fare will be 5x, because it is given that subsequent distance is rupees 5 per kilometer, and here for first he is taking 3 rupees extra. So for x kilometer it will be 5 into x and 3 kilometer extra for first kilometer, so it will be 5x plus 3, and its total fare for this it is given that taking the distance x kilometer and total fare as y. So here our total rupees will be y rupees. Okay, so 5 into x plus 3 is equal to y will be our linear equation. Therefore our linear equation is 5x plus 3 is equal to y. That is, you can write it as 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, which is our standard form. So I think you have understood this part. You have to only here consider that for first kilometer he is taking 8 rupees. So we can write it as 5 plus 3 and its total distance is x kilometer. So 5 into x will be our first, plus he is taking 3 rupees for first kilometer. So we write 5x plus 3. That means it will be total rupees for the total distance x. Okay, so 5x plus 3 is equal to y. So it can be written as 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now in that it is given that we have to draw its graph. So first we will find its x intercept and y intercept. So here x intercept is, we will take value of x and y as when x is y is 0. Here equation will gives, write it as equation 1. For y is equal to 0, equation 1 gives, it will gives 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 3 upon 5, and after calculation it will give 0.6. okay, and for y is equal, so here it will be 3 upon 5, sorry, minus 3 upon 5, because when we transfer this to rev, it can be written as 5x is equal to minus 3. Okay, so x can be written as 3 minus 3 upon 5. So value of x at y is equal to 0 is minus 0.6. So here it is minus, so which is minus 0.6. Now for x is equal to 0, for x is equal to 0, equation 1 gives, now for x is equal to 0, you can write 5 into x minus 0 plus 3 equal to 0. Sorry, here x is 0, so here it will be 5 into 0 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So here it will be 0, 5 into 0 is 0, so here only remain minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. That means minus y is equal to minus 3, which will gives y is equal to 3. Okay, so here x intercept is our first column, which is minus 0.6 comma 0, and y intercept is our second column, which is 0 comma 3. Okay, now we will plot the graph related to this information. So here we will take a scaling 1, 2, 3. Here it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and on upper side it will be plus 1, 2 and 3. On here lower side it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, now here our first point is minus 0.6 comma 0. That means it will be lie on left side of the x-axis. Okay, so if I consider this as a 0.5, so near about here it will be our point 0.6. Okay, so this point will be our minus 0.6 comma 0, minus 0.6 comma 0, and our y coordinate or y intercept is 0 comma 3. That means this point, which is our point 0 comma 3, which is our y intercept, and we have to draw a line passing through these 2 points. Okay, so here this is a line which we draw from the point 0 comma 3 and minus 0.6 comma 0. So this line will represent the line 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, or you can write 5x minus y is equal to minus 3. Okay, which is an equation of this linear equation in 2 variables. Okay, so here this is an required solution for the given question. Okay, now next consider the example number 6. Here example number 6 in same exercise is, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by a body express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph by taking the constant force as 5 units. Full stop. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by a body is first 2 units and second it is 10 units. In book it is given 0 unit. For 0 it will be 0, so I consider here 10 units. Okay, we will consider 0 also, 0 units. Okay, in solution, first of all define the variables. Now here let x, we define first variable. It is in the question, it is given that work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to, that means we have to define x by be the work done by a body, okay, of on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by a body, and y be the distance traveled by a body. Okay, so this is our first, we have defined 2 variables. That means in that first is work done by a body on application with a constant force and is directly proportional to distance traveled by a body. Okay, now here x is directly proportional to y. Now you know that when x is directly proportional to y, it can be written as x is equal to ky, where k is any constant. Okay, so our equation here, body express this form of an equation in 2 variables. So our equation will be x minus ky is equal to 0. Therefore x minus ky is equal to 0 is an equation in 2 variable. Okay, this is our first part. Okay, x minus ky is equal to 0 is an equation in 2 variable. and draw the graph by taking constant force as 5 unit. Now here we have to take this constant k, constant force or any constant. So we have to take k is equal to 5. So we have to take k is equal to 5. Here we will write as equation number 1. In equation 1 we get x minus 5y is equal to 0. Write it as a equation number 2. And we have to draw a graph for x minus 5y is equal to 0 now. We have to draw the graph by taking constant force as 5 unit. Okay, so we have to draw the graph related to x minus 5y. So first of all, we will find x-intercept and y-intercept of this equation. X minus 5y equal to 0. So here x, here y. For y 0, equation 2 gives y is equal to 0. Equation 2 gives. Now we will put y as a 0, so x will be 0. Okay, here 5y is 0, so x will be equal to 0. And for x is equal to 0, equation 2 gives. Now when x is equal to 0, here it is x is equal to 5y. Okay, so for x is equal to 0, it will be y will be 0. Okay, so we are getting only one point only, which is from origin here. Now for this example, for this type of example, for x is equal to 5y or x is equal to ky type of graph, we have to take more points such that we can plot on the graph. Okay, so for this we will consider more type of points other than 0. Now here for x, y, here I consider for x is equal to, we will take a number such that it do not take the fractional value. Okay, so for y is equal to 1, we will put here y is equal to 1, x is 5. Okay, for y is equal to minus 1, x is minus 5. Okay, we will put here y is equal to minus 1, so x will be 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Okay, for x is equal to 2, y is 10. Okay, and for x is equal to minus 2, x is minus 10. Okay, so relating to this information, we will draw a graph for x is equal to 5y. Okay, we will take some positive values and some negative values in such type of graph. Okay, so now here we draw a graph related to the given information. So we will plot here, we will take a scaling as 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit for both axes, for both x and y axis. Okay, so here it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so here also minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, and for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now here for origin, here for x is equal to 0, y is 0. So first point is from origin. Here it is 0, 0. Next, for x is equal to 5, y is 1. So for x value of x 5, so here we will get a first point 5, 1. 5, 1. For second it is a minus 5, minus 1. For third it is 10, 2. And for fourth, here I will write minus 10, minus 2. Okay, so for first point 5 minus 1, for that means here x is equal to 5, that means it will be center of this, and x is 5, y is 1, so here it will be near about. Okay, so here I have changed the y coordinate as we will take y as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit only. Now for first 5, here it will be take 1. Okay, so please make a point very carefully. Next is for minus 5, it is minus 1, so here if I consider minus 5 this as center, so here it will be nearer to this. Okay, next for 10, value of x for 10 is x is equal to 10, y is 2. So for 10, y is 2. So here it will be there somewhere. Okay, and for left minus 10, here it is minus 2. Okay, so we have to draw a line passing through this 4 point. Okay, by using scale you have to draw very carefully this graph. Now here are the points which are lying on this line. So here it is minus 10 comma 2 minus 2, sorry, here it is minus 5 comma minus 1. For this it is a 5 comma 1, and for this point is 10 comma 2. Okay, so we have find some points and we have draw the lines passing through that point only. Okay, so this line will express the equation x is equal to 5y. Okay, now by using this graph we have to find the distance traveled by a body is 2 units and 10 units and 0 units. Okay, so for first, here it is 2 units. Distance traveled by a body is 2 units. That means we have given y coordinate as 2. That means here given for first y is equal to 2. So when value of y is 2, we have to check value of x. So when you see this, here value of x is 10. Okay, we will find in that point. So value of x at y is equal to 2 is 10. So here therefore x will be equal to 10. Okay, so for first we will get for y is equal to 2, x is 10, or you may take an equation this only for x is equal to 5y. That means we have to check we have to put y is equal to 2 in this equation. So x will be 5 into 2, which is equal to 10. Okay, this will our first. For second, we have to put y is equal to 10 units. So put y is equal to 10. So we will get x is equal to 5 into 10, which is equal to 50. Okay, so which will be our, and for third, for y is equal to 0, x will be equal to 5 into 0, which is equal to 0. Okay, so which is our required solutions. Okay, so here we are getting the values at y is equal to 2, y is equal to 10, and y is equal to 0. Okay, which is we have solved for example number 6. Okay, similarly for example number 7, I explain it in shortly only. Here example number 7 is given that Yamini and Fatima, 2 students of class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 toward the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies the data. Into bracket, you may take their contribution as rupees x and rupees y. Draw the graph same. Okay, so first of all I will define, let x be the contribution of Yamini, okay, to Prime Minister Relief Fund. Okay, and y be the contribution of Fatima, okay, to Prime Minister Relief Fund. Now they together contribute. Here it is given that Yamini, 2 students of class 9, together contributed rupees 100 toward Prime Minister Relief Fund. That means here it is given that x plus y, together means x plus y, here is equal to 100. Okay, so our linear equation in 2 variable is a linear equation in 2 variable. Okay, after that you have to draw a graph of the same. Okay, so for this you may take x-axis and y-axis, and for x plus y is equal to 100, when we find x intercept and y intercept, it will be in the form here for x y. For y0 x is 10, for x0 y is 10. Okay, so if I consider 5 10 here, 5 10 here, and 5 minus 10 here, minus 5 minus 10. Okay, so our first point is 10 comma 0. That means our x intercept is 10 comma 0 and 0 comma 10 is a y intercept, and we have to draw a line passing through this 2 point. Okay, so this will be like this. Okay, which will gives an equation x plus y is equal to 10. Okay, is a graph for x plus y is equal to 10. Okay, so remaining example in this exercise will be your homework part. And next point, equation of line parallel to x-axis and y-axis, we have explained in our last period only. So I think here our first chapter number 4, linear equation in 2 variable, is over. Okay, so if you have any query related to exercise, you may ask or you may send me the question number on on your WhatsApp group. Okay, WhatsApp group. Okay, so for today, thank you.